Okay, so now that we've talked about the age of streams, now what we want to do is talk about drainage basins and drainage divides. Okay, so if we look again at our 3D model, what we see is that we have hills here, and then we have a water body of some sort here. Now, Lucy, this should be pretty obvious. What happens if we have a drop of water fall here? Will it flow into this water body, or will it flow into this water body? This one. And that's right, because we see that downhill goes into here, right? The line that divides the areas of which direction water will flow is called the drainage divide. And that line is always drawn along the highest points of any area, okay? So, drainage divides don't at all depend on the size of the area. We can have a drainage divide that's just the size of this table if we're outside and we're looking at an area that has a very small inlet for a pipe drain, or we can be talking about an area that's the size of the country. What is the drainage divide for the United States? Think about it, what would it be? You got it?
No, just you answer.
No, go ahead.
No.
What do you think it is?
No.
We're not going to move on to you tell me.
No.
What's the highest linear line along the United States, within the United States?
You know.
Colorado Mountains.
Oh, okay. I didn't know what to.
Right. So the highest
makes
elevation in the United States would be a mountain range, and the highest mountain range is the Colorado Mountains. So anything that falls to the east of the Colorado Mountains is going to drain down into the Gulf of Mexico, into the Mississippi River. Anything that falls to the west is going to drain into the Pacific Ocean through the network of streams over there. So we have these giant drainage divides, and it's very important for us to be able to look at those and accurately delineate them so that we can decide how much water is flowing in which direction. What's even more important is for us to be able to do it on a local scale, for instance, on our new home quadrangle map. So move on to the next video, and we'll do examples on how to do it on this map and look at some hypothetical ones as well.